this fall season, I ordered the Barbour Tartan wool scarf, and I ordered my scarf from the Arthur Knight website. They are a UK-based company, and they shipped my item to Canada, where I live, and it is in great condition, and it arrived in a timely manner. Let's have a look at the scarf. Oh, upon first touch, it is incredibly soft, very smooth. You can feel the quality, it's very well made. Let's have a look at the scarf itself. Beautiful red tartan. On the scarf is they stitched the Barbour tag on there, and on the tag we have the royal appointments. By royal appointment to Her Majesty the Queen. By appointment to His Royal Highness the Duke of Edinburgh. By appointment to His Royal Highness the Prince of Wales. And attached to the Barbour tag are the care instructions, and it notes dry clean only, and it is 100% lamb's wool. Very beautiful. Let's have a look at the scarf. Oh, very nice. You have the tassels at the end. It's a standard width and the length is a standard length as well. If you can have a look here. There we are. And it feels very soft on the skin. Even though it's wool, it's not itchy at all. It feels very soft, very smooth on the skin. This wool scarf is a great investment piece that you can have in your closet for years to come. You can pull this out every fall and winter season. It's very well made, durable, reliable, and it's a classic style. This is a great addition to a classic wardrobe. Thank you for watching.